Yeah, good morning, Kalyani.
Yeah, good morning, Anil. Am I audible?
Ah, yes.
Fine, fine. Yeah, have you gone through the file which I have shared with you?
Yeah, yes, Kalyani. But actually, I'm thinking, actually, that one I done before only. But my question is, I have taken Jenkins server and Prometheus servers, right? So
Correct.
Prometheus, we are opening the 1990 and remaining things like 22, HTTP 443 and 80. And
Mm-hmm.
coming to the Jenkins also, we are opening 8080. But this everything will be undercover, come under only one security group, right? This 1990, 80, and everything.
Correct.
But I want the separate security groups for the Jenkins and the this 22, 443 and 80 will be the one security group, and 1990 and remaining three are belongs to one security group. Like this, I want. So this I have blocked here only. How to generate two separate groups as per given ports. Uh, Yeah, this is my question. How to overcome this? Means how to create two security groups using separate ports to assign in EC2 instance. This is my question. How to overcome this? Actually, I'm tried almost 2 days to take. Yeah, I feel shame to say this, but to take in 2 days, but didn't go through that issue. How can we overcome this?
Okay. The thing is that now tell me, like you want to, what I understood is that you want to add two secret group for one server. Am I right? Two security group for one server.
No, actually, we have two servers, one Prometheus and one Jenkins.
Correct, correct.
Yeah, and
Prometheus for the monitoring and Jenkins for CI/CD.
yeah, and these common ports are 22, 80, 443 are common ports.
Correct.
These three will be attached to two servers, but 8080 will be attached to only Jenkins
Jenkins
server,
server. Correct.
and 1990 will be attached to only this Prometheus server.
Prometheus. Hmm.
Yeah, this is my task, how to overcome this. Actually, we will create this dynamic ingress module like this. It will take all ports in one security group, and it
Hmm.
will attach to the both servers, Jenkins and Prometheus. But Jenkins, I don't want 1990, right?
Correct, correct.
Yeah, this is I think you got the question.
So instead of this, you can do like you are using same Terraform file to provision two servers. Am I right?
Yeah.
Same Terraform file. So you can do, you can take variable files separately, or you can pass variable to that Terraform file manually. So you can update these things in your here, instead of directly passing this ingress value or port value in your Terraform file, you can pass it through variables file. tf.var file we have now. By using that, you can pass variables. Can you try it that way?
Actually, I'm taking EC2 module and spinning up that EC2 instances using for each loop to get the Prometheus and Jenkins.
Okay.
So yeah,
But Terraform file you are using same, am I right? Same file you are using.
yeah, yes.
Yeah. So what I'm suggesting you is that while using some whenever you are using some Terraform file, instead of hard coding value in your Terraform file, you take some variable file, var file, and in that you can update the value. So directly don't provide any port number in your Terraform file. Pass it through variables and give input through variable files. Got my point?
Yeah, yes. Actually, I got the point.
You can try this way. If it is not working, we will discuss again in the tomorrow session.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Okay? Don't hard code any port values in your terraform.tf file. What you do, pass the value through your variable file or take it input from user.
Can you give me the access to share my screen?
Yeah. Okay, so already you are not hard coding any values. You are taking from variables file only.
Yeah, Kalyani. Actually, I'm
Actually, you are taking from variable file only.
yeah, yes.
Yeah. So what is the issue here now?
Uh, how to create from this yeah, this separate security groups and
Two
how
security groups you want to create with different port numbers. Am I right?
yeah. So actually, I am using this is basic and
Mm-hmm. This is the for loop. Fine.
so actually this is the module which I use and how to get this dynamically creating security group, how to attach here. Actually, the instance type and everything I am getting from variables only.
Correct. Huh?
So actually, I'm getting some issues. That's why I have commented this code and everything. I have removed the variables from the variables file. So
Mm.
actually, I'm taking like directly this resource file for the instance and
Mm.
trying to get this module that security. But I'm facing some issues. So that's why it's still in pending. So, so if it is possible to take any class to, or actually here some of the guys also don't have much knowledge on the Terraform modules and everything. So is it possible to take that class also? It is good for us.
Mm. Let me check. Just allow me a moment. Like allow me some time. I will check for any pre-existing class we can directly use for this kind of thing.
Yeah,
So I
okay.
will update you in a Slack within a 1 hour. Is that okay?
Yeah, yeah, Kalyan. But also we have one wish. In 1.5 hour, can you take half an hour for the tickets and the status of the tickets, and last and next 1 hour, can you take that any topic and related to any tools and can you go with that like that? So every day we can cover some topic, right?
Yeah, yeah. Even Shankar is there. Can we do like that?
Yeah, yes. Shankar is not available for
I think
till
he is available. He have joined the technology.
Yeah. So can you tell what is the requirement?
me,
So
Shankar.
you want a Terraform classes you are telling?
Yeah, actually, here come somebody don't know how to create the modules also. Yeah, what is the module also they don't know. So that's why.
Okay.
Yeah,
Fine, fine. We'll try to decide the timings and we'll let you know because Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform, and Linux, these were the strong areas for sure and scripting. These five areas, if you are very good, try to listen the words, guys. Bare minimum Linux, and bare minimum scripting of shell scripting anything because python anyway you'll not be in a position as of now. I don't know how many of people know this. And other thing like terraform and docker and kubernetes, these were bare minimum things that you should know. And at least one ci tool. Ci anyway I have not involved. I have involved only in triggering the jobs, but rest of the automation I used to do all these things you can tell because if you know terraform that indirectly means that you are good and strong at in one or the other cloud. This is so we'll try to decide the timings and we'll let you know for all these things, so what you don't know. And docker and kubernetes everyone is good, I guess, right? We have shared all of the videos.
yeah, Shankar, we are good with that. But everyone has completed the task, but manually. But they are pending with the Terraform tasks only. So they are
Which task they have completed?
everything like creating the test server and production server, deploying into that one, and also everything is
Can everyone share the screen and show us even for us? So because at least some or the other thing we will get an idea.
it is upon running, run out
Yeah,
and
you can share like any task of yours, like migration or anything. I want everyone to share. So is it done in the sense it is, yeah, it is done. It is not that kind of thing. Because If it is done, actually, we should check that other after Scrum, they will be also checking, right? So they will be asking team members and they'll try to see the status. Not only now here we are just checking the status and assigning the things, right? So you should also show the things for us. So Uma, can you share, or Rakesh, can you share your screen and show me?
Yes, sir.
Share your screen, Rakesh.
Yes, sir, actually.
So Docker video, have you gone through all of you? Is there any difficult topic in that?
Yes, sir. Actually, I am done with the yesterday and day before task, like generating HTML reports for the project, uh, configuring webhooks to Jenkins, and also deploy applications through Jenkins. Actually, I am pending with migrating servers, installing the database, and start migration to AWS.
Database and application servers, all the things.
Yeah, actually, I'm pending with this one, and the rest of the things I have completed. Uh, and also provided, sorry, through Terraform also I have configured the servers. I just used the basic script, like I showed this one.
You can hide that. Okay. Just after stop screen, there is a hide option, right? You can hide that if you don't want to see the things. Yeah.
I just used this basic Terraform file to provision the
Mhm.
servers, and by using the variables I have by using that variables files also I have used.
Okay.
Mostly I have completed the task. Maybe I'm pending with three or four, like migrating the servers and database.
Okay. You know the concepts of this particular namespaces or anything? Workspaces in Kubernetes, Terraform and namespaces in Kubernetes.
No, not much idea about that one.
Do you have any idea on AWS organizations at least? Service in AWS. Okay.
Sorry.
AWS organization.
Yeah, actually, I have little bit idea on that, but I don't much on
So
that.
because we are involving in multiple projects, right? Coming down the line. So multiple projects will not be deployed on the same things or something. You'll have a separate environments like that, right? So you'll have Q environment, dev, pre-prod. So you can use and different environments will be there for each project. So each project will be divided by with respect to AWS organizations, or and each particular environment will be divided with respect to namespaces and all of these things. So you should tell in this fashion. So we used to have multiple projects and we are using AWS organization. And in this AWS organization, we have Terraform workspaces we are using and Kubernetes namespaces we are using. Okay, once we involve in multiple projects, we'll try to at final. But still, have you configured that elk stack and NFS server via like? Can you show anyone? Can you share your screen and provision and show that like NFS server and this elk stack and what are all the things which were pending still? SSH copy ID. What happened about that, Vinay? So have you copied SSH key? I mean, not Vinay,
No,
Rakesh, sir.
Shankar.
Rakesh, I guess.
Sir, no, sir.
So can you share the ticket? Ticket is there, right? Which is open.
Yes, yes.
Can you, yeah. So total, how many tasks were there? It is around 32. So it is very easy and you are, it is been very long but still and all the people were there. I'm not telling only you should work on this, you should work on this. So this SSH key is pending since how many days? 5 days approximately. Around 5 days.
Yes,
Uh,
yes.
that is not for sure. And NFS configuring servers and clients. Ashwini, have you done that?
Yes, sir.
Have you done that? Can you share the screen? Can you show the documentation as well? All the people, Vinay, you should show the documentation. Should ask them. Yeah. You can share your screen. Install the things. Okay. Install the things for me. NFS server right now. The master and slave. And also show the files which you have created on master should reflect on your node. Share your screen fast. It is 2 minutes task. It will not take more than it is 11:51, right? It it will get over at 11:55. Should try to do the things as well right now. Can you share your screen once again? Yeah. Yeah, you can use the screen as well if you are side by side. Yeah. And have you provisioned the same project with AWS services and Azure DevOps or only with Jenkins?
Yeah, provisioning with AWS and other clouds are still pending, Shankar. Uh,
So Azure DevOps is not completed to deploy.
no, actually still now I didn't touch that Azure now.
So at least have you tried AWS services to deploy the things other than Jenkins?
No.
Okay.
Yeah,
So can
actually,
it
I'm trying to spin up with the Terraform only these things. Yeah, actually, I have started with the security groups, the dynamic English. Yeah. Actually, I tried to do today with the Terraform and let you know the status
can you share me the tasks which are all pending?
from my side, Shankar.
Everyone, all the tasks I want which are all pending. Can you share that? In 32 tasks, how many of them have completed? So only done, it was there. Rest of the things to do in progress or pending, all of the things will be there in which was, yeah, assigned to everyone. Can you select the names? Or just count the things last done one on rough note. Just remove the things and count to done is there, right? Around 11 are done. That's it, right? if I'm not wrong. So only how many tasks were there? 6 plus 4, 10, 11, 12. Only 23 was there. Oh, from 32 we had given 1, 2, 3. So the pending one, yeah.
There are some child tasks, right, Shankar?
There.
Some child tasks also available. So that's why I think.
Okay. So I want the task which were all in pending. I want every task which are all pending right now. And I want by what is the time duration that you all can complete on clear note. Installing Prometheus and Grafana via Ansible. And this should be also converted as a system service. This one, installing to do. Still it was not done. Install Docker Ansible on Jenkins and add Jenkins user to Docker. That was still in progress.
Yeah, Shankar, it is done actually manually only.
Okay, try to do one thing. Note down how many tasks were assigned. You can note it down. Everyone, how many tasks were there and how many you have completed. Okay, I don't want to waste time in the search button and filtering the things. Even I don't have access. So you just try to see on clear note how many of the things were pending. Uma, are you doing all of the tasks?
Yes, sir, I'm
Uma,
doing.
are you there?
Sir, I'm doing, sir.
Yeah. Are you involving in the task?
Yes, sir.
What you have completed till now?
NFS server and clients.
Have you
Um,
done that?
yes, sir.
What are all the things that you will try to do in order to achieve the task? Can you tell the steps on rough note to me?
We'll create a master and
In master, what you will try to install?
NFS. This NFS kernel server
Uh-huh.
will install, sir.
And in node, what you will try to do and how you will try to communicate from master to node?
We'll give ownership change or ownership. We'll allow this slave IP
Where you will try to keep, what you will try to keep,
in master. We'll give, sir.
in which file you will try to keep.
Y- You
Uma, I am asking how many tasks you have done, which task you have done, what you have executed. So if you are telling yes, I have done in the sense, you cannot say they'll you cannot say in the interview like I have done, and you cannot be in this fumble state like whenever they ask something. I'm asking you on a clear note, how many of the tasks that you have been like you have completed till now? Till now, how many tasks in overall have you completed? Even like taking help or referring dogs or collaborating with them, how many tasks you have completed? I'm asking. Am I clear with the question?
yes, sir.
So if you have completed, what tasks you have completed?
Sir, I completed NFS and I tried to deploy in AWS Amplify.
Uh-huh. AWS?
Amplify. I mean, to deploy the project using AWS also is there, no, sir.
Uh-huh.
I tried to deploy, sir, but it didn't work.
Which one? AWS Amplify.
Uh,
Okay.
uh,
Which code you have tried to deploy? Java or what? What you had?
Git option is there, no, sir. in that.
How many tasks? So Vinay, where is the documentation of NFS? So the people were telling that I have completed. Uh-huh. Come down. So why do we remove the restrictions for NF shared directory?
Yeah, to actually access the servers which are uh, allowing that mount path. So there is no restrictions for particular user, particular group, or particular everything. So we are allowing everyone.
Come down. Okay. Okay. Still, that's it. Done, right? Okay. So still, what are all the documentations you have done? Installing Tomcat with shell scripts. Yeah. Can you open that? Mm-hmm. Come down. Mm-hmm. This will install. You should start. Okay. Okay. Just a second. Can you run? Have everyone tried this? Running this script?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah. It worked
Yes,
for
sir.
everyone. Are you getting any issues?
No, sir, it is not, sir.
Okay. Okay. Fine then. So I told that it should be param. Go up. Go up. So where everywhere you have where is the things URL or that version? Still some of the things that you have hard coded or what URL or anything. Tomcat version. So here Tomcat version 9.0.86 is there, right? So it
Yes, sir.
should uh okay, that at
It
least
is
you have.
taking from there, sir. Downloading Tomcat. WHTTPS.
Yeah,
If you
yeah. The
refresh
Tomcat
it.
version as well. Still it should ask you while running your script. I want actually, but it is okay. So 9.0.86 you're telling, right? So version
Mhm.
number I should give. It should not be still in that fashion. So fine, at least. I'll leave that still down. Okay, fine. And still any what are all the things which I had completed? What is the spelling of artifact? The last one. And generate artifact. ARTI.
AI, ARTI.
Yeah, fine. So, like the pending task which were there, right? So the elk stack I have told, Prometheus and Grafana which need to install I have told,
Yes.
converting all of the things like Prometheus and Grafana even after installing manually, okay, you should convert all of those things as a systemd service.
Yeah, sure.
You understood the point, right?
We have to write the service file and we have to run, right?
Yeah, you need to write the unit file or service file. You can't go to your script and start every time. How do you run your script in the background is the first question without giving control C. Control C, if you try to give, it gets stopped. Before, without giving control C, it should work. And it should also work as a system D. Service commands or systemctl command should work. I'm telling, right? Systemctl and all of these things should work. This should be done by evening. So all the tasks which were pending, everyone, everyone should complete all of the tasks and everyone should give the mock interviews as well. Okay, and simultaneously mock interviews on daily basis you should give. Ashwini, can you tell your things? What are your roles and responsibilities and what do you perform? How many years of experience you have on rough node? Can you tell? Can you unmute yourself and talk, Ashwini?
So actually, I'm not prepared yet.
No, no, Ashwini. This is not an appropriate answer that you should give. So we don't know. I had given all the things already. I have told how you to. I told you all to record it even. How you should tell the intro and all of the things. Okay, the same thing rougher here or there. You can add some or the other things you can tell. So you told, yeah, yeah, I will note it down. So at least some or the other thing can you tell?
Or else mention what things you have done in this project, Ashwini. That is also okay. What is your role? Like what task you have done in this
Yeah,
project?
what
You
is
can
your
mention
role?
that thing.
Yeah, you should introduce yourself and start the things. You should introduce how many years of experience you have overall and related to DevOps, how many years of experience you have, Ashwini?
4 years.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So continue the things. Continue. Go ahead. So how many tasks you have done if you are unable to express that is waste of time?
Yes.
For sure. People exaggerate the things. Even if they do one task in interview, they'll try to tell 10 or 15 tasks. And long back that I have done, I did not remember, and I used to remember only these tasks as of now. So whatever they have not done, they are exposing themselves, they are portraying themselves, and whatever the things you have done, at least you are not showcasing that. So Rakesh, can you tell your intro?
Yeah, hi. This is Rakesh. Yeah, I'm having around 3 years of experience on DevOps and AWS. Uh,
Be louder. Be louder. Because I don't know my. Yeah.
yeah, I'm having 3 years of experience on AWS and DevOps.
Ah.
Coming to my roles, we will daily interact with the clients, provide infrastructure as per their requirement by using the cloud formation. I have very good experience in auto scaling and load balancer for scalability purpose. Uh,
First, you
so
should
when
tell your self introduction in the sense. first how many years you have with respect to overall, and how many years you have, and what sort of projects you had worked, and then like you should tell, finally you should tell your roles and responsibilities, so what you are good. So can you start in that fashion? You are going there in cloud and somewhere in DevOps, like it's not the. So first you should start. I had experience with respect to AWS and DevOps of 4 years, and I had experience with respect to couple of services of AWS of EC2 XYZ, and then you should introduce the things of auto scaling or load balancer or whatever the tool you are convenient. So you should on rough note you should not tell I have very good experience. It should be in a very precise way, in a very constructive way, what you are trying to deliver. Whether you had started with DevOps or AWS or whatever it might be. Can you start once again? Go ahead. Not a problem.
Shankar, can I go with myself?
Yeah. Go ahead, Anil.
Yeah, myself Anil Kumar, and I have 5 years of experience as a DevOps engineer. I did my BTech from Sharda Engineering College from Common, and I have started my career with Creative Tech Mars. And recently, I have worked as a DevOps engineer in ACL Digital.
Let me record. Sorry, once again. I'll try to stop this. Just a second. Once again, I'll